Hey guys, we're super excited to be bringing you another video on chatbots. And this week we're going to show you how to create an awesome chatbot welcome message that converts.
Last week we talked to you about the 5 ways that you could use chatbots. We're linking to it right up here in the corner.
The first thing we mentioned to you guys last week was having an awesome welcome message. This is your first impression with your potential customer.
They've taken the step to reach out to you, and the first few minutes of this customer relationship are crucial. You need to develop rapport with them.
If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And now buckle up your seatbelts because we're about to give you our best tips for crafting an amazing welcome message.
Number 1, give your bot a personality. Keep in mind that your customer knows that it's a bot and it's not really you. So there really is no point in trying to pretend that they're talking to you.
Instead, give your bot a name and a personality that make interacting with your brand fun. Have the bot introduce him or herself to the customer and then interact with the customer as if it's a brand new person.
Here's an example of a really fun branded bot. Check out Poncho, the weather cat.
You can have a lot of fun with this and really create a fun and engaging personality for your customers. You can keep using this personality for all of your chatbot campaigns so that you can keep your customers entertained.
Think about your target audience and who would connect with them. Then choose a communication style that matches your target audience and brand image and go from there.
Just remember, chatbots exist in the same space that people use to communicate with their friends. So use that to your advantage when you're creating this personality for your bot. Number 2, give short and clear answers. The big difference between Facebook Messenger and email is the length of communication. Check out this example from our own chatbot. The nature of Messenger is short and to the point, questions and answers. No one wants to read a lengthy message, and honestly, they won't.
Number 3, showcase your main services. One way that you can do this is through a carousel of images or videos. Check out this example. Each image or video can have a link for them to contact you, schedule a call, or even purchase if you have products. This lets your potential customers see right off the bat what you can offer them.
Number 4, get permission to add them to your subscriber list. Research shows that chatbots have an 80% open rate and a 50% click-through rate, which is 5 times more effective than traditional email marketing. Here's a screenshot of how we ask for permission so you can get an idea.
Once they're subscribers, using your chatbot to send reminders is going to be much more effective than email, and it can better ensure that your latest news and offers are getting seen by your customers. If you would like to see our welcome message in action, be sure to click the link in the description.
Thanks for watching, guys, and let us know in the comments if you thought this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe so you know when our next show goes live.
And until next week,
Stay awesome!